Welcome to Fun with Finn! Hi everybody, welcome to my channel.
Hi Finn, what are we doing today?
Today we're doing the Nerf Gun abstraction.
That's not right.
Today we're doing the Nerf Gun scare challenge.
The Nerf Gun scare challenge?
Yeah.
Is it scary? So what it means is you're gonna take a Nerf gun. We have some right here, right? Can you show me the Nerf guns? Okay, that's a single shooter, right? You got a couple bullets. Now that shoots 3 darts at one time. Oh my God. And that of course has the rival knockout bullets. So those are like bullets, but of course they're good. What could happen? What wrong could happen? And then what's around the corner there? It's not a Nerf product, but it's something cool that we're gonna try. What is it? It's a Marshmallow Extreme Blaster. It shoots marshmallows up to 40 feet. Okay, so here's what you get to do, Finn. You get to take a gun and you're gonna try to shoot those eggs off, right? What's in the eggs?
A blind bag?
There's blind bags in there?
Yeah.
Do you know what type of blind bags? No? Isn't it Ghostbusters?
Yeah!
Oh, and do you know there's another couple other blind bags in there? Do you like Lego Batman? Do you think that there's Lego Batman in those?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So, if you knock all these eggs down, not only do you get to open up the blind bag that's inside of it, but if you hit them all down, you get to open up the magic surprise chest. Yeah, and there's something really big in there and exciting too. I can't tell you what it is though. You have to win in order to see it. But there's a catch to all of this, isn't there? That's right. Each time I count to 3, you're supposed to do what?
Shoot the eggs.
Shoot the eggs. Now, when I say 3, what am I gonna do?
You're gonna scare me.
Yeah, we have a bunch of different stuff that, now these aren't mean scares, but we have a bunch of different stuff here for Finn. He doesn't know what I have, and basically things to make noises and whatnot. And yeah, that's gonna come into place. I don't have a siren. I don't know what you're talking about.
I know that.
Okay, is that what you think? I have a horn that's gonna be loud?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna open this stuff up and get Finn ready, and then we're gonna see what happens with the scare challenge. Oh, are you ready, buddy? Yeah. Okay, Finn. We have the guns laid out.
Oh.
Now you have a square. What's up with the square?
Well, I'm not supposed to go anywhere, so I'm supposed to stay in the square.
Stay in the square, just like who?
In sadness.
Sadness from the movie Inside Out?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you gotta stay in your little square?
Yeah.
Look at the guns. These are your gun choices. Okay, and you have to shoot those eggs. Which egg are you gonna shoot first?
The green one.
The green one? Don't look at my surprises back here.
No.
All right, which gun are you gonna choose first? The rival?
Yep.
Okay, hold it. You gotta pull that back. Use all your muscles. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Fire. Whoa! Okay, so that one didn't work out so well. So what do we got next? What do you want to do next?
Okay.
Okay, get in your box. Get her loaded. Yeah, that's easy now. Aim it. 1, 2, 3. Fire! Fire! Ah, did you get it?
No! Look what you done to me.
What'd I do? What did I do?
Can I have that?
No. Ah!
That's what you get.
Ah!
Look at me. I'm not covered up. Help me.
You're spider webbed. Okay, what's next?
Oh, it's time for this gun.
Dun dun dun, the marshmallow gun. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Aww. Mess.
A Betty. Betty.
Let's see if that works.
Right now?
Yep, go ahead, fire.
Whoa, that was awesome.
That was pretty cool. Alright, so maybe try your little 1 shooter now. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hey, you hit it!
I tried.
You want to try it?
Yeah.
Goes on a bike.
Can I put it on my bike?
Sure. Okay, Finn, you got 1 egg down. Let's open it up and see what's in it. Blind bag.
Here, open it.
Okay. Who'd you get?
Aw, save us Marshmallow Man again.
We got the Marshmallow Man again?
Yeah.
Maybe Iris will like it. You want to give it to Iris?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Okay, Finn, so you're going to do the rival one again, right?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can distract you. Ugh. Nothing. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I got it all over. So Finn is gonna move closer to the targets. Okay, I'll do one more prank on you, Finn, okay?
I moved a little bit closer.
Okay, that's fine. 1, 2, 3. Hey.
You have to be kidding me.
You didn't shoot.
I know. Stop, no!
If I hit this from here, I'll let you open up the other ones, okay? Ah! Missed with that one. Okay. Yeah! There. Go get her, buddy. It's another Ghostbusters.
Let's see where this is. It's Ray!
You got Ray?
Yeah!
Oh, that's awesome. Ray. Okay, so now we got 2 other eggs. I think you should just get up on them and shoot them, dude. Get right next to it and shoot it. Whoa! Shoot the other one. Get the other one, quick.
It's shooting me too.
It shot back at you?
Yeah.
Ah! There you go.
We're doing.
You can open it up right there. Let's take a gander.
Whoa!
So it's, let me see. All right, so you got Batman Lego movie.
Well, look at Joker.
Should we see which one you got?
Yeah. But I'm not gonna let you see. I'll show you after.
What?
Yeah. Okay.
What is it? Is it Mothman?
Yeah.
Mothman.
And he also fly. Okay, I'm putting the editor.
All right.
Oh, another Batman wine bag.
All right.
We're not told the video yet because he has a big, huge chest.
What do you think's in that chest? You have no idea. It's a surprise. Open it up.
You have to be kidding.
Aw, look how cute he is. Do you think it's cute?
Yeah, and it's huge.
It's a huge Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Yeah. Thanks for watching my video. Slap that bell, click that subscribe button, and be well, be kind, and always have fun!